Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to be filming my everyday makeup routine. I mean, it's not the best at the minute, I'm not gonna lie. I look an absolute state and I feel gross, but we're gonna try and turn this around. I don't know how it's going to come across on camera because every time I've tried to film an everyday makeup routine, they have turned out such a disaster. So if this video makes it, then we've moved up a step. So yeah, I'm just gonna crack on into it. I do have a few new products to try out today, so we'll see how that goes as well. So I've already prepped my skin with the Weleda Skin Foods moisturizer, and that is honestly the best base. I don't usually go in with a primer because every time I bought the Benefit Professional primer I always lose it. So me and primers are just probably not meant to be, so I go straight in with a foundation, and today I'm going to be using my new Huda Beauty Stick Foundation. I actually have used up my liquid version and I absolutely love this to death, but I used to use the Makeup Forever Stick Foundation and I absolutely love the way a stick applies. So I thought I would try the stick version, and I use the shade 350G. Look how clean and satisfying that looks. I don't even want to use it. But yeah, I'm gonna go straight in with this. I actually miss stick foundations. I forgot how easy it is to apply stick foundation. And then I'm gonna go in with my foundation brush. I actually love the way that I applied. I'm actually going to clip my hair up because these bits are going to annoy me. I'm actually going to put some of the liquid version as well because I feel like I need it today. My eyelids just show the most redness. So I'm going to make sure everything is blended. Next I'm going to go in with concealer, and I've been loving the Maybelline Rewind concealer, and this is the pinky one. It's like the eye brightening one. I found this on TikTok, so TikTok literally just makes you buy everything. I literally just like dab it under because I don't want too much product either, really, like under. So I'm going to do like a light layer, and I'm going to do it down the nose as well. So it looks like that. And I'm going to leave it on for about a minute or so it's like a thicker coverage. I do actually like the HNB Cosmetic Concealer as well. This is in the shade 1.5W, and this just really brightens it up. So I'm just going to add a few over the top, and just so it really brightens it up. A couple of seconds, and then I'm just going to blend it in with my foundation brush, and I'm just going to do like dabbing motions because I don't want to disturb the foundation underneath. My knees have got pins and needles. Question is actually, where do you do your makeup? Like, do you do it on the floor? Do you do it on your bed? Do you do it in front of a long mirror? Or do you use like a little compact mirror? So once I've done the concealer, I like to set it in place. I'm going to put some more lip balm on because I feel like my lips are so dusty crusty. This is just the Fenty Heat lip gloss and I absolutely love it. I use like a little poof. I actually got this from Shein, and you actually do get a massive pack for like literally 99p. So I'm going to set my concealer with the HB Cosmetic loose powder, and then I just like to dab it, not swipe, always dab. I always get spots there, which is so annoying. Like, I think that's actually a sign of stress. If you get spots there, I feel like it's stress spots. I don't know how to work on that. I don't necessarily bake yet. I'll show you later what I bake with, but I just like to just set it in place. I always get super oily as well on my T-zone really, and then I get oily on my chin as well. It's the time of the month as well, so my skin is looking dusty crusty. So once I've set my concealer, I like to go in and set my base with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, and I use the medium tan, and this is absolutely used and abused. I actually like to go in with like my skin colour, or maybe even darker, because I am literally at my palest right now. It's just to give me colour again into my skin. So I've set my entire face and my brows have actually disappeared. So we're going to be doing the brows. I use my Anastasia 7B brush, and this is honestly, I cannot live without this brush. It's honestly amazing. And I use the NYX gel. I feel like this gel product's discontinued, because when I actually rebought this, it took me literally days to find it because I could not find it anywhere. I feel like they've discontinued this product, so maybe look on Amazon. I actually bought it on, I think it's like Look Beauty. It was like a beauty website, and that's so like discontinued products. I'm just gonna go over the outline of my brows. So I'm actually going to use a compact mirror for this because I actually cannot see that far. It needs to be precise. I like to like make it more straight and elongate it. And then at the front I literally just like twist it so it's like straight, and then just have what's left on my product just to like feather it. I don't have brow hairs at all, so I cannot do that spiky uptrend. So if you can't see what I'm doing, it's not the best technique anyway. So they look a bit prominent right now, but we just go back in with a foundation brush and then just blend it out. Let's go in with bronzer. This product is my ride or die. It probably is for most people. It's the MAC Give Me Sun. I absolutely love this product. Now, I've probably been using this product for a good 10 years now. So I used to actually like doing my makeup on my bed, because I used to wake up really early in the morning. So I used to wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning to go to work. My bed was the most comfiest, so obviously I had to do my makeup on there. But now I actually like doing my makeup on the floor. I feel like there's just something so comfy about sitting on the floor. It's weird how that changed, because I didn't think that would ever change. So after that, I like to go back in with my foundation brush and then make sure everything is blended. So now I'm going to be doing a bit of baking before we move on to my eyes, and I use the Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom Cake. This product is absolutely phenomenal. Like, the way it's made, it's so finely milled. It's honestly perfect, and the colour and the scent is just, it just tops it off. Again, I'm just using my little puff. Oh my god, this smells insane. And then I'm just gonna go underneath where we set with that powder before. I just love a pink under eye. So once we've got my legs, this is probably the worst thing about doing makeup on the floor, is my legs, they get pins and needles so easily. I don't know what that means. I feel like I need to drink more water, but lately my legs have been killing. But anyway, after I've done that, I like to do my eyes whilst that bakes. So I'm just gonna go in and curl my lashes. I mean, I don't have much lashes. I used to use a serum, but now I've just given up on it, because you always have to constantly use it to maintain the length, and I can't be doing that for the rest of my life. Like, that shit is expensive. I'm just gonna be using falsies. Recently, I've been into individual eyelashes, and I've been loving these ones. I feel like they're inspired by like a Korean eyelash. So yeah, I've been enjoying these individual ones. It just gives you that like doll effect, and that's what I've actually been loving recently, because I've been into Blackpink. I just go in with my duo eyelash glue and tweezers, and it is honestly just so easy to apply. If you struggle putting eyelashes on, I would highly recommend using some tweezers. I just apply the glue straight onto the lash and then apply it onto my eyes. So this is what they look like. You're not in a rush, I would highly recommend individual eyelashes, because I just feel like they look so much better than like a strip lash. So once we've done that, I'm going to wipe away my bake that we did earlier. Next, I'm going to go in with blusher. Blusher is probably my favourite bit. So I'm going to go in with the Kylie Cosmetic blusher. And I think this is the Winter Kissed. It's honestly so pink. but I love like a blue undertone blusher, and I literally apply so much on this because it's not got the best pigments, so you have to apply loads, but I just love the way this baby pink looks. It's so nice. I like to put it like under my eyes as well to give that pink under eye effect, and then on my nose. So then I like to also contour my nose and just give that little like button effect nose. I'm gonna go in with my NARS Casino contour, and this is just a really good contour shade. It's not too warm and it's not too cool toned, so that's why I like to use it so much. So I'm just gonna pick up my Zoeva brush. It's just the 227. I literally just pick any brush. So, and then I like to just dip it in, tap off the excess because I don't want too much, and then literally just go down my nose and then just drag it into like my eye socket here. I mean, you don't have to really be precise with this at all, I'm not. And then a little tip of my nose underneath as well, just to shorten it a bit. And then what I like to do is literally squeeze my brush like this and then draw like a little line across the bridge of my nose, so that it just gives you that little cute button nose. And then I just like to go in and blend it with my foundation brush, and if it just looks a little bit wonky, just cover it with just some setting powder like that and just straighten it back out, because I don't have the most precise hand ever. So yeah, I'm actually going to use the Fenty highlighter today. I usually use the Sunny Dip Jouer highlighter, but I've actually like kind of ran out, kind of smashed on me. So I'm using the Fenty one, and this is the Hush Baby. I mean, it's a little bit, I've actually got chocolate. That's absolutely disgusting. I've actually got chocolate in between it. Anyway, but yeah, so I like to go down the bridge of my nose. And you've actually got to have like a steady straight hand for this, because you don't want a wonky nose. And then just stop at the bridge we created, and then a little dot in the middle on the tip of the nose. And then I also like to do the tear duct area, because I just feel like it just really opens up the eye. And then once we've done that, I like to go in with a bigger brush like this, and then do the tops of my cheeks, and then just go over and blend it. And then again with the foundation brush, go in and blend the highlight on the nose like that. Cute. Okay, so next we're gonna go in and brighten my under eye even more. I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury brightening powder, and then just brighten it even more under the eyes. Again, dabbing emotions. By the way guys, I don't do this many steps on my everyday makeup routine. It's more when I'm filming or going out on a night out. So yeah, last but not least is the lips, and I usually go with my Morning Coffee lip liner from MAC, but this is actually discontinued, so I'm trying to savour it as much as I can. This is literally how much I've got left. It is so sad. So I'm actually going to go in with the Cork MAC lip liner just on the outside. Now, this is actually a really dark lip liner, but I just love that 90s look. And then blend it and smudge it all together. And I actually found this lip liner from Morphe in my drawer, so I'm gonna give this one a go. So this one is Honeymoon, and it's just like a nude lip pencil. It looks a bit like the Morning Coffee actually. Let me swatch the Morning Coffee and see difference. Okay, so the Morning Coffee is a bit more red, and then the Honeymoon is a bit more nude. So the Honeymoon is the top one and the bottom one is the Morning Coffee. So it's actually kind of similar, although this one's just a bit more lighter and nude. I might as well put some gloss on as well. yeah, that's like deepened it up, which I like. It's the, again, the Fenty Heat Bomb, whatever it's called. But yeah, that is literally my full face makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you've liked this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It'll help me out so much, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.